Hello and welcome to AFT 24/7 Noida. I am your host Anurod Kumar, and today we have a very special guest with us, Shahbaz Khan. He has done a very iconic roles in film and television media. So we are truly delighted to have you here, sir. So could you share with us how your journey has started in this film and television career?
My journey started long time back. बहुत पुरानी कहानी. You know, when I was a child, I wanted to be a singer, and then eventually I became an actor. You know, and when I started acting, I started enjoying it because acting is a very, मतलब अगर आप अपनी satisfaction के लिए कर रहे हैं तो एक बहुत ही creative चीज़ है. Any form of film making, acting या डायरेक्शन या स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग या जिसमें भी इंटरेस्ट आपका हो, तो इट्स अ वेरी मतलब बिकॉज आई बिलोंग टू व्हाट यू से एन आर्टिस्टिक फैमिली. माय फादर वाज आल्सो एन आर्टिस्ट, माय मदर वाज आल्सो एन आर्टिस्ट, सो आई आल्सो वांटेड टू बी एन आर्टिस्ट, वॉइस माई सेल्फ. तो ये फिल्म वाज द बेस्ट आल्सो.
So like having such a background of yours and family background, what are the things which helped you in this moving this career?
Nothing helps. Nothing helps. No family, no nothing will help.
So what are the challenges you face in this?
Too many challenges, but I want too many challenges. But the thing is, I don't want to mention those challenges because those challenges are the experiences of my life. So all those challenges have been very positive for me.
So like sir, you have done very many roles in film and television career.
Yeah.
Sir, which role which you are very close to your heart or having enjoyed playing that role?
My first role was the best actually. Because it was my first. So that's why it's very close to my heart. Otherwise, my favorite is yet to come. Abhi aayega aage.
So like you do television also and cinema also. What are the sir you find the difference like in culture and industries?
Television एक मॉन्स्टर है, उसको जितना आप देना उसको बहुत ज़्यादा वो चाहिए कंटेंट. और टेलीविज़न का ऐसा है कि भाई आप विद इन उसमें कैरेक्टर आपको ग्राफ करने का टाइम मिल जाता है क्योंकि एपिसोड ज़्यादा होते हैं. इसमें आपको प्री प्लान करना पड़ता है अपने कैरेक्टर को कैसे आपको प्रोजेक्ट करना है. फिल्मों में ऐसा है कि आपको प्री स्टडी होती है कि आपके कैरेक्टराइजेशन क्या करना है. और टेलीविज़न में होते होते हो जाता है, होता है इनिशियली थोड़ा सा, लेकिन फिर होते होते यू गेट द होल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर.
So like nowadays cinemas platforms like OTT, social media is coming. So what you find the difference as an actor or as an industry that how these are playing the role in this field?
ये OTT भी कौन से ज़्यादा अच्छे बने तो है, ज़्यादा अच्छे नहीं बनते, you know. बट ऐसा है कि फॉर एक्टर्स तो एवरीथिंग इज़ द सेम, और टेक्नीशियन एवरीथिंग इज़ द सेम. ऐसा नहीं हम बोल सकते कि भाई आप OTT अच्छा नहीं है, TV अच्छा नहीं है, फिल्में अच्छी नहीं है. हर चीज़ अच्छी है अपनी जगह. फिल्मों से अच्छा तो आजकल OTT बन रहा है ना. और अभी टेलीविज़न में भी कुछ अच्छे अच्छे शोज आने शुरू हुए वापस. सो यू नो शायद हो सकता है कि टेलीविज़न की ग्लोरी वापस आ जाए वो एक ज़माने में जो थी.
So could you tell us that who is Shahbaz Khan off the sets? Like on the sets we are seen having a very powerful impact on the screens, but who is Shahbaz Khan off the sets?
Shahbaz Khan is a normal person, a person who has a heart and who likes to be kind to people, who does not hate anybody, and loves his country and loves the people of his country, and basically hassle-free guy. No hang-ups, no nothing. Life में जितना hang-up कम रखोगे उतना stress कम होगा. And don't take life too seriously. Take life as it comes. अगर हम बहुत ज़्यादा ही करेंगे तो stress हो जाता है, उसमें फिर गड़बड़ होती है. Take life as it comes. Life is like a flowing river, you know. उसको वैसे ही चलने दो जैसे चल रही है. उसमें अपनी तरफ से कुछ ज़्यादा इनपुट डालोगे तो कभी कभी गड़बड़ आ जाता है. Simple living, high thinking.
Thank you sir for sharing the beautiful insights of your journey. We are truly delighted to have you here sir today.
Thank you so much and all the best to you.
Thank you. I am your host Anurod Kumar signing off from this session. Until then, keep learning, keep listening, AFT 24/7.